What if I told you that you can make up to $10,000 to $15,000 per month from the comfort of your home without ever touching the physical product and starting from zero with something called Etsy Print on Demand? Etsy Print on Demand is when you deal with suppliers to get white label products like blank caps, t-shirts, phone covers, and almost anything else to put your own design on and sell. The good thing about a print on demand business is that you don't have to manage, store, or protect any physical products. Products are only made after a sale goes through, and then the print on demand supplier sends the product directly to the customer. To get started with Etsy Print on Demand, you need to first decide what products you want to sell. I think you should try selling t-shirts. Go to Printify.com, click Start Selling, and sign up for free. You can connect your Etsy store to Printify or start making your own custom products. With Printify, it's very easy to make designs. It's easy to get around and find your way. You don't have to be a professional designer who knows how to make graphics from scratch to do this. All you have to do is find inspiration. You can find free images and graphics to use on your products on sites like Raw Pixel, Unsplash, Pixels, and Envato Elements, things like that. Now, let's talk about how to connect Printify to your Etsy store. When someone buys something from your Etsy store, the order goes directly to Printify, which makes the product and ships it to the customer. This means you don't have to do anything but come up with the designs. Click My Store and then Manage My Stores. You'll see a button that says Connect. Click that button, you'll see that Etsy is one of the top options. When you click Connect, you'll be taken to a page asking if you want to give Printify access to your Etsy shop. You'll say yes if that's what you want, and then it'll send you back to Printify where you'll see a success message. Now you can add products to your Etsy store directly from your Printify account and have listings made for them automatically. This whole process doesn't have to be hard. You don't have to overthink the design or the name of your business. All you have to do is start just taking action, man. That's all you have to do is just get up and start taking action. And then you'll start seeing results. Of course, you could take more time and think more about your designs if that's what you want to do. Some people overthink, Sometimes I find myself overthinking simple things. If you want to take more time, that's fine. But what I'm just trying to show you is that you really don't have to. And this is pretty easy. You can work from home and you can make good money doing this. Listen, I know that all of you really have the ability to change the course of your life if you really want to. Will it take work? Yes. Will there be times where you doubt yourself and wonder if you're doing the right thing? Definitely. But that's all part of the journey. If you want to improve your life, make money, and help yourself and your family, you have to be on the journey. You guys are all amazing. I truly appreciate everyone who took the time out to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day or night. And I'll be back shortly. You guys be safe.